from the back and drive you wild. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Girl, I lose myself up in those eyes. I just had to let you know you're mine. Hands on your body, I don't wanna waste some time.
Before we get into this video, I just wanted to talk about this hair for a little bit. Most of you guys have seen this hair on my channel, but I literally only wore it for like that video and then I just put it away. But it's months later, it's hot, so I decided to bring it back out. The color, the length is everything. Most of you guys know the Yara wig by Bobby Boss. Like, this is the Yara wig in 1B/teal. Yeah, I will link it down below. But like I said, I wore this wig literally for like 2 days back in like November or September back then, and I literally didn't wear it again. But yeah, I brought it back out literally today, and I've been loving it all over again. Like, I don't know why I ever stopped wearing it, but yeah. So this hair, like I said, like the color is everything. So this hair is synthetic. It sheds a little bit. Literally, as we was talking, I felt like a piece on my arm. So it does shed a little bit. It's nothing like crazy shedding, but you get like a few pieces here and there. And I think it's like very low maintenance, meaning you would not have to be touching this hair every few minutes for it to get back into place like some synthetic wigs. So I think that's all there is to say about this wig. If you are feeling this wig, you can check out the link down below. You can buy this wig almost anywhere. You can even buy this wig just by walking into your beauty supply store. Most beauty supply stores carry this wig now, because it's like a well-known wig. Yeah, we're just gonna start with this makeup tutorial. It's just literally easy skin, highlight, lashes, and lip. That is all there is. I don't even have eyeshadow on, you guys. Just a blinding highlight from... Actually, I have to shout this girl out because she's doing her thing. So this highlight right here, let me see if it's gonna focus. It's from Aeva Beauty. I did a review on this, on her highlighters already on my channel, so I will also link that here or here. I'm not sure which way it is, and it will also be linked down in my description box. So Aeva Beauty is like this company that sells pigmented loose highlighters, and as you guys can see, like, it's literally blinding. Like, I literally just throw it on all over my face whenever I try her highlighters. So I think you guys should definitely check out her Instagram. Well, check out Aeva Beauty Instagram, and I will link that down below as well because it's bomb. Okay, you guys need to get you some. And I'm gonna stop talking now and we can get into the video. Okay, and somebody count how many times I said and like, and just comment that down below.
Mr. A on the beat.
Alright. See, my baby is the finest. My baby is the hottest. If you don't know, say my baby is the baddest. So I give her all the finest. She says she like me for me. She wants to commit. She says she like my package. She wants it on it. Out of me and all the others. She settled for me. She can't count the money. As we they make it. Every time we see, she just a riggy pon this. When she dance, she just a rolly on this. She find passion on natural beauty, but she still the package. She said, baby, let me show you rhythm. Let you follow my beat. I say, leave them the reason. Say now you they cause hit. See, let me spend the money. Relax on your seat. Baby, you be my honey. You know why? See, my baby is the finest. My baby is the hottest. If you don't dangerous. This your fine is serious, so I go give you all the world if you ask me to. Baby, let me love you well. Let me hold you tight. Oh yeah, I can do the do. Baby, come let me spend the money. If you leave me in no go funny, I go like if you be my honey. Baby, kaya shocky, I want you to know I see you, baby. They can't look you, baby, but you be my leading lady, oh. See, my baby is the finest, oh. Ah, my baby is the hottest, oh. If you don't know, say my baby is the baddest, oh. Oh, no, so I give her all the finest, oh.